Hey, hey guys, it's Matt back to you with the rock comparison to the dirt comparison of the RC Full Drive 1.9 Krypton tires. So here's the little rock climber, I guess whatever you want to find. I just don't want to, my battery's about dead and just wanted to get a quick little clip in. Alright guys, just gonna take it slow. Nice and slow as possible, you know, just take my time up it. We're at a pretty good angle on a hill right here, so. Not too bad, not too bad. Alright guys, well, as always, like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, and of course turn on the notifications. Alright guys, thank you, have a great day, bye.